When Vice President JD Vance was in Maine on Monday, I asked him the status of the investigation into the shooting of Johan Sebastian Guerrero at the hands of an ICE agent. His response causing the Guerrero family attorney to fire back.
My message to the Democrats who are so worried about that situation is to say, have a little bit of perspective. We can absolutely investigate every shooting, and we will. But we can also secure our border and ensure that that poison stops coming into our country. And that is our priority, and that's our emphasis.
Vance disagreeing with claims from Democrats in the family of Guerrero, who say the federal government is not investigating, and seemingly tying the Biddeford shooting to drug trade. Ben Gideon, the attorney representing the Guerrero family, says Vance has the wrong perspective.
I think the folks that lack perspective are Vice President Vance and our federal government. The perspective is that they shot and killed an innocent person in our state.
Gideon adding that not only was Guerrero not involved in drugs, neither he nor his roommate, who the car he was driving was registered to, had a final removal order.
This operation had nothing to do with fentanyl or illicit drugs. No one has suggested that Johan Sebastian was in any way involved in the drug trade.
Gideon continues, saying the vice president's remarks on other immigration-related shootings are lawfully inaccurate, noting that both Gideon and Vance are graduates of the same law school.
He should know better, is my point, and he should understand that as the sitting vice president, that the words he uses have consequences. When he tells people after the shooting of an innocent person in January that ICE officers have absolute immunity for those acts, he encourages other ICE officers to act that way, thinking that they're going to be immune.
The Maine Attorney General's office is also investigating this case at a state level. In Biddeford, I'm Jackie Mundry for Maine's Total Coverage.